And what I wanted to do was this clip back here. There's not much going on besides me just walking. Just going to extend it a little bit. And the clip that I have here with the waterfall, I'm going to use this as an overlay. So you'll see it's going to put it on top of the existing video and take it out of where it is, because for me it doesn't really fit in here. It does, but we're going to make it work a little bit differently. So if I just highlight it and I come down to the bottom here and find overlay right here, drops it down, brings that next clip in line. And then I'm going to bring it over to the spot here. And I'm going to end it right on that clip there. So I'm basically just going right over that. And I'm just going to split it and delete that back half. So that shortens up my video quite a bit, and it kind of breaks up the scene of me walking. Some of you may know the little box here between on the cut that's on the split. Those are your transitions. So that's how we get from one transition to the next. And there are a whole bunch of them. You'll find ones that you like, ones that you don't like. And I would say that you do not want to use a transition on every single one, because too many transitions, it's too much going on. It's not good to watch those over and over again. Certain ones that I like are pull in, pull out, slide left, slide right. And then there's some other pretty cool ones that I've used before, like dollar bills. And if you click on it, we'll use this one here. I've used this one too for a transition. And this one is recorder. Good for a scene change in a video. And then I go to some others that I use often is pull in two. And then this one being swipe left. And then slide left. And another good one here is pull in. This is good for a scene transition, especially when you want to get attention. And pull out. And we have regular left. This is a nice, smooth, simple transition. And then slide down, which has that blur effect to it, so you got to use it right. And then a couple fun ones, flame, and obviously in the right situation. And burn, it's pretty good for effects. And one last good one here is a glitch scan. Now with these transitions, what I try and do is match it to what's going on in the video. I don't want to use, money flying around if I'm talking about a serious situation not related. And I try and fit in other ones with a slide left and slide right. So these are your transitions. Now what I'm trying to achieve here are almost match cuts, where my step leads into another step, or I leave one scene and walk into another scene. So I don't really want to have a flipping transition because it's going to really disrupt the view. So, but I just wanted to show you those. Now over here too is that little button there shows your favorites. So if I don't know if I really use those, but that way you can, ones that you use over and over again, you can favorite, and then you'll have them all in one place so you don't have to search through it every time. And you can search too.